Who's hungry? We've got the Corn Dog Company here at Twin Falls Subaru. They have an amazing selection of some extremely delicious corn dog options. Their deep fried cheese pops are also extremely tasty. Definitely recommend getting down here and trying out some of their food. This is some really good food. They're going to be here for the next few hours and serving up just delicious corn dogs. You'll see their truck all around town, and they are always busy. You can get in before the line gets too big. Again, the Corn Dog Company, extremely delicious food. So they are sitting right out front here at Twin Falls Subaru. We're located at 1725 Parkview, for those of you that are unaware of our location. And while you're here, you'll have the opportunity to check out some rather unique pieces of inventory that we have, like an Oasis Blue Pearl Impreza RS. This is the new color and the new iteration of the Impreza. The 2.5 RS was an early mid 90s to early 2000s model that went away for a little while. They brought it back. This car has some of the most comfortable seats that I have ever sat in. This particular one we also did take down to Chris at Supreme Window Tint, and he threw some amazing window tint on this one, so it has a really good look with the dark windows to go with the blacked out wheels. And of course, the most popular vehicle since it arrived yesterday, 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness in Geyser Blue. We posted a couple ready for somebody to take home and test drive, check out. We'll give you another quick tease with that beautiful textured StarTex interior. Stain resistant, water resistant, ready for that adventurous lifestyle that Subaru owners tend to have, especially here in southern Idaho. And if you're not sure if Crosstrek's big enough, well, we have a 2023 Forester Wilderness in Geyser Blue. We have a Crystal White Pearl set of Outback Wilderness. So let's hope you get your Wilderness on and figure out which one might work for you. We also have a beautiful, beautiful Outback in Geyser Blue. So pick your model, pick your color. We have a great selection of new Subarus out right now, and you can see that it's right there next to that Corn Dog Company trailer. So while you're waiting for your food, you can figure out which vehicle you want to test drive after lunch. We do have an enormous selection of new vehicles, and I don't know if the microphone's sensitive enough to pick up the construction sounds coming from our sister store next door. They will be moving this weekend, so for those of you that also have a Chevy truck, you'll be coming over here next to us for service starting next week. Again, we're here at Twin Falls Subaru. If you're hungry, we've got the Corn Dog truck, the Corn Dog Company truck trailer here. They are ready to help you out, get you some food. We have a wide selection of new and used vehicles, Subarus, non-Subarus, sports cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, price ranges all over the place, just depending on what's going to be most affordable for our guests. We've got people on a test drive right now. We've already sold a couple of cars, and we're hoping to help some more people find their next vehicle with our team of non-commissioned sales staff. You can check out our inventory at twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. When you see something you like, you can call us at 208-734-8860. 208-734-8860. And as I mentioned, Corn Dog Company will be here for a few hours, serving up some great corn dogs, hand dipped. They have the honey dog. Ambulance going by to St. Luke's. So come on down, check us out. They'll be here for a couple more hours, and you know, get some delicious food here midweek and just enjoy this beautiful Twin Falls day. Light clouds, blue skies, almost no breeze. So it's the perfect day to come out, get yourself a corn dog, maybe check out a car or two, and see if it's something that might work for you. And like we were assisting some guests this morning, if you have, you know, kids that are off at college, they've bought their own cars, and you have just a fleet of cars sitting there collecting dust and everything else at your house, let us know. We do buy vehicles. We can give you a cash offer and see if we can't buy that vehicle from you. You don't have to buy from us. You don't have to trade from us. Your vehicle's value is going to be the same regardless of which vehicle you want to replace it with, or if you just want us to write you a check. So you can set up an appointment for that. Same thing, 208-734-8860, and that way we can go ahead and help you out. So don't miss out on the Corn Dog Company. Extremely good corn dogs here at Twin Falls Subaru for the next couple hours. We're looking forward to see you soon.